Hello guys, it's time to cook again, and today I am going to make very tasty thing. It's cherry jelly, and all what we need is very simple. It is fresh or frozen cherry, gelatin and blender. Optionally, you can add sugar. Take 600 of cherry and chop it in blender. When this step is done, add some water if needed to have 750 milliliters. Now put everything in the saucepan and heat, but not boil. Add 15 grams of gelatin and heat it together, stirring. The temperature should be not more than 60 degrees centigrade. After gelatin is melted, put our cherry mass into a container. Let it cool and then put into a fridge for 5 hours. And your super tasty cherry jelly is ready. Enjoy a meal!